So here are the points 725 which I earned today, and in this video you will know how I earned these points. So let's get started. Good morning guys. In this video I'm going to collect more points, and this is a video where you will know what right answer is for you. So let's start. And today already we have started some collecting points like midday puzzle, which I do like a normal search, and I got the point. Go with first quiz and see how many points we can get. So let's go. Okay, so yesterday we did this, but today we are going to do this again. So can point will be connected. Okay, we know already this answer. And third is, I guess already I know, which is shredded wheat. I guess this should be right answer. Okay, great job. So already 30 points we collected. Now test our smart. Okay, the wing quiz. Go back. Nevada and Texas. The correct answer. Nice. Japan. And okay, so oh my god. Oh, nice. So we collected 10 more points. This is 40 points, and we will close all the tabs. Okay, 30 point collected. Let's go for daily poll. I don't know. I'm going to choose one. Okay, nice. Okay, more 30 points. Let's collect. This is already this is tomorrow's answer. Let's collect these. Titan, Sicilian ice cream. I guess yesterday we are already used these answers, so this is already repeating. Okay, supersonic quiz. Okay, I remember, I guess these all this and this. Nice. And Airbus 330, I remember this. 400 passengers, 440 passengers. Boeing 77 is a 550. 390, oh my god, 853, sorry, 853, 359, and Boeing 447. This is a famous plane if you know. Okay, Jerry Mock, Glenn, Anthony Forker. Okay, this, oh no, this and this. Okay, I forget this. So these are the right answers which you need to solve. Celebrity news. We already collected 30, 30, and 60 points. But oh no, 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 shit. I already know this, but I missed. Oh, today I lost more. 5 points. Adam Sandler. Next question. Magic Show is the right answer. Def Leppard. Next. 400 million. Next question. His father. Next question. And Flaming Hot is two streaming services. Next. And we got 7 out of 10. I guess that's nice. Good. So we collected already some points. Let's reload this page and see how much we already earned. Okay, so 195 points. Let's collect all these and calculate total points. Guys, if you want to earn more, you can just search, like you can see point breakdowns. I already searched 20 items, so this is showing this. After a few minutes I'm going to search all these on mobile and PC search, and I have a trick for you. Let me show you. Let's go to Google extension store, and here you will find auto search, sorry, auto searcher. And if you use this, you can see you can automate your searches by using this extension. This will automatically search and automatically search for you if you set this to at a time whenever you want to search. This is very useful tool you can use. So if you want more tricks, you can subscribe. I will tell you how you can automate all your IDs and accounts, obviously. So I will give you the all scripts if you complete 100 subscribers on this channel. Let's go and claim 100 points more, 100 welcome points here, and already we did yesterday, and let's do it this again. Receipt scan. You can download this app. If you are a student, then this is a very good thing you can do right now to earn some bucks. National cuddle. Okay, done. National chia day. Okay, do you do this, and let's plan next trip. Already telling me to go New York. So more space to explore. Let's explore more. Search, shop, and more. I don't want this to install, but you can install this to use. Let's see which app is this. Okay, I already installed this, but I didn't get a point. And here is the condition. If you search, just a second. If you search within Wing app for 2 days, within 14 days after app installation, you will get 500 points. So I didn't search, use this. Let's reload this. Okay, there is some problem. I guess maybe. Okay, here you can see we collected many points. Let's try again. Maybe there is some problem. Okay, it's working fine. We collected 350 points today, and we will try to collect more. Let's collect more, and let's do this again. There is some problem, I guess. Okay, 350 points. I don't know why this is not adding a point, because we already loaded the tabs. And let's do this again. Okay, I earned badge, thank you. And okay, this is why this is not working. Let's reload this again. Okay, we got some badges. Okay, 100 points here, 100 points here, and this is collected. National Cuddly Kitten Day. Okay, I love kittens. Okay, browse efficiency. I don't want to try these, but this is fine. I'm okay with this. Explode this New York. You can see right now I'm in New York, and I don't want to travel more. Okay, let's collect 10 more points. Start searching. Okay, we search news and wait for some time. Okay, we already searched 15 turns already. Okay, so how many points we can earn today? This is like 200 to 500. Let's search some more now. We collected 515 points, and here are some points which you can collect, like 100 points and 125 points here, which will be totally 700 points, around 7 to 750 points per day. This is the easiest way to collect points. Just do all the quizzes and do it correctly, and you will get 750 points, which you can redeem in 2 and 3 days. Like this is would be let's check how many points we can redeem. It's like a 1600 point equal to $1.5, like 1000 point equal to $1. If you do 700 points per day, that would be like 70 cents per day, which is nice. And if you use 10 accounts, then would be like $7. Then you need at least 15 points to earn $10 per day. That's nice, which you can redeem on Amazon and wherever you can want. Like here is some coupons you can use. Maybe some internet issues, that's why the system is not working right now. But you can almost earn very quite good amount, which is nice. Like if you are a student and you can use these points for something for you want. I don't know. That's a very, if you want more content like this and more tips and tricks, then you can subscribe my this channel, and that will be nice. I will meet you tomorrow early morning. I will try to create a video which should be like early morning, like a 1 a.m, 2 a.m, or maybe at 12 a.m. We should be nice to collect these points as soon as possible for many people. So if you support, then subscribe. If you want automation on this, I will provide you the automation things which you can do to automate all these rewards without doing anything. Maybe you have to do little bit to set up those, but you will get the automation, which should be nice. Okay, I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye, good night.